What is going on here? What is with the Mesa Verde sized pile of dirt that's outside of Magic Kingdom? Monorail. We parked at 9:45 and we just got off the buses. We're about to walk into the park, and what time is it now?
10:15.
10:15, so say about 10:20 by the time we get in. That's, you know, that's pretty good time for when it comes to Magic Kingdom. So obviously the ferries, they have a limited capacity. The monorails have a limited capacity. It's only like 2 parties per entire train. Ooh. So yeah, the bus might be the fastest way to get into Magic Kingdom. There have been times it's taken us an hour from when we parked to when we finally walked in. We're just getting in there, and it's not a high capacity day either. Am I the only one that thinks you're gonna like roll your ankle walking on these? Hey, there's the castle. Hun, when was the last time we've been to Magic Kingdom? We don't even know. I think it was before Christmas. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've been to Magic Kingdom, but hey, so happy to be here. Alright, first things first, Adventureland. I've been wanting to try these for the longest time, but they're still... I don't know if this one's just permanently not open or just not open today. So Alicia and I have been going to the parks for so long, we always try and find something new to do since we've done all the rides. So it's basically come down to snacks and other little experiences like that. Now the Monday Morning Monorail podcast was talking about pockets, like little areas of personal space, I guess. This is a great one here at in the bazaar. You can see there's almost nobody at that thing right there. That's one of those, I guess like a magical scavenger hunt thing. They are doing it right now. I don't know exactly. I've done it once with the boys years and years ago. It's a good little thing to do if you got kids and they go around and find magic stuff. But now we are going to try is it a seasonal Dole Whip thing, treat thing, whatever? They've extended it? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do that. We're not really in a hurry for anything today. We're gonna take it nice and slow, do all the stuff we really want to do, and you know, just take it nice and easy. So it's gonna be a kind of relaxing day. So this is it. This is the Kakamora, and I like the little chocolate coconut guy here. This sucker is already starting to melt, so we got to dive in quick. So there's fruit juice and melting and blue carousel and
coconut.
Diamond. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, there's coconut in there. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, we have to walk this off, that's for sure. Now, we've been noticing through watching some of our friends stream and other YouTubers that the times that they've been posting, both in the front and on the app, seem to be exaggerated. So yeah, even though we're outside, and if you're familiar with Pirates, there's a long queue once you get inside. But if it says 50 minutes, you're probably gonna have like a 20 to 30 minute wait, that kind of deal, because we've been moving pretty steadily since we got here. I have always loved the facade of this attraction, how it has like a Spanish fort feel to it. And something I never really noticed was all the way in the back here. If you're familiar with the fort in St. Augustine, that reminds me an awful lot of it. These chain rings, you know, they're all over the queue. They're all over the place. And I'm seeing kids touch them every single time. No, don't touch, don't touch. There goes one right now. Oh God, no, don't touch. Wash that kid's hands. Hon, what are we at? 35 minutes now?
Yeah, 35.
Since we got in line outside in the queue. The app said 35 minutes. When we got in line, 45 once we got into the building. So that's not too bad. 35 minutes for Pirates? Yeah, I can do that. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below, do you like this current setup of the scene, or did you like it with the mermaid and the glass coffin? I thought that was really unique, but precise for the movie only.
They need a bit of persuasion, ladies. Pirate will!
I hope the camera's not soaked. It's hard to see, but we're in the burning scene, and we are backed up boat to boat. So there's a little bit of a traffic jam. We keep getting slammed in the back from the boat behind us and the boat behind them. So we got a nice little breakdown going on here. Pirates of the Stationary Caribbean. We not be going anywhere, matey. The good thing about not moving is you get nice long scene sets, so you can see all the classic scenes. Okay, this is the reason for the slowdown, because they're cleaning the boats after each party gets off of it. So, yeah. Yep, cleaned everyone. Obviously, they can't advance it while it's being cleaned. That'd be a neat trick, though. Alright, here is my viewpoint of the castle. This is what everyone's been talking about. I mean, I see the pink. The blues really pop, and the gray looks really good. I'd love to see what it looks like at night, especially with... Oh, I guess we have a parade coming through, because the window's just open for the speakers. Yeah, there's Merida on horseback. With the pooper scooper. Vital position. Now here's something a lot of people probably didn't realize, that the castle here is like an amalgamation of... That's a scramble word, by the way. It's like a mix-up of all kinds of different castles. Where there's... I thought it was like a replica of a French castle. But there's German, there's Irish, there's English castle design in there. But I always assumed it was mostly a French castle. And I guess the reason why is, you see the two golden spires at the top there? They always seem like French to me. And of course, it took me a long time to realize it, but I finally know. The golden spires look like they were, pun, inspired by the steeple at Notre Dame. Okay, we got a seasonal, let's see, that's pumpkin spice Mickey waffle. What else? Vanilla ice cream caramel with pumpkin jimmies. I guess. So we got that. So we're gonna need some protein at some point today. We've had a lot of sweets. We also got this Madame Leota over here, which because it's daylight, you can't really tell, but it lights up. Well, I don't think we're gonna see anything, because it's, yeah, a tiny little glow at the bottom in the day. I'm sure at night that looks impressive. So that is very cool. Jeez. Check out the scrim they got going for Small World. They must be doing some heavy-duty paint work or exterior work of some kind. Obviously the ride's still functioning because there's a huge line and a backup ahead. Alright, because it is October, we have to do the Haunted Mansion. Sign up front said 50-minute wait. So the queue line is down there, and it goes all the way over here. Alicia was noticing this bush, and then we saw right next to it the ones with these purple berries, I guess. Beautiful agriculture like this you find. Ooh, there's a bumblebee. Hey, bumblebee. Oh. The tricky thing is there's no social markers, so we just gotta guess how far we are from the next person. It does seem like a long distance, but we're moving. We haven't really stopped. We stopped every once in a while, but it's not as long as it looks. I mean, yeah, it's long. I don't know what I'm getting at. Part of the queue line takes us into the boarding area for the Liberty Bell. And here they have the markers. You know, simple gaff tape, but since the Liberty Bell's not running right now, might as well stick us in here. Alright, so the line started on the other side of this building. So the line went all the way down there, and then it looped around. Now we're coming down here, and then we're gonna loop back around again. Get over there. This is a long line. And what's the time check, by the way?
1:30.
1:30, so less than 20 minutes we've been in the line so far. Alright, so we are getting in. It says 45 minutes. From here on out, It's just a steady walk until or almost a steady walk, until we get to the Doom Buggies. Oh, cool. Mr. Toad's back in his normal spot, which is not in front of a ride.
And we'll continue our tour.
I don't know what the deal is, but Haunted Mansion seems a lot darker than normal. Usually, I'm able to make out some things. I'll easily make that out. Oh yeah, this is definitely a lot darker. Not in tone. Yeah, usually with your naked eye you can see these doors and they're almost non-existent. I'm looking through the camera lens. I can see a few things. With the naked eye, it is dark. Very, very dark. Alright, we're doing pretty good. Wasted a lot of time today. We figured, why not? Go ahead, do some Space Ranger fun. Okay, hon, remind me, last time we did this, who got a maxed out score?
You did.
I did?
You knew how to do it.
I did, didn't I? You know what that means now. I'm jinxing it, so I'm gonna have a terrible score this time around. Okay, hon?
Yes. I think it was broken.
Yeah, no, don't say it's broken. Say you're that good. Because I only got 292,000. You maxed out. You win.
I'm the Cosmic Dominator.
You are the Cosmic Dominator. Oh, that is so sad for me to see the People Mover. Last I heard, I think it came out today that People Mover is going to be down until after Christmas. Crying shame. So, by the way, Space Ranger, it was listed as 30-minute wait. We were on 10 to 15 minutes. 15 tops. Holy cow, it gets so freaking loud when the parades come around. Alright, so that is going to do it now for the fun part, figuring out, do we want monorail to get out of here? The ferry? Or do we want to go back over to the buses, how we first came in? Decisions. The regular monorail, it's actually not that lengthy, but we're taking a peek over at the resort monorail. Maybe that's shorter. We'll see.
Monorail will depart momentarily.
Alright, so we decided to gamble and we took the resort monorail. Right now we're stopped at the Contemporary. And we are in the, well, I don't know how new it is, but the refurbished green monorail. I always thought this was lime. I guess it's green. So that is going to do it for this quick little trip to Magic Kingdom. It had been a good long while since we had been there. Almost a year.
Yes.
And lots of new stuff to experience, mostly in the sites. We tried out some new snacks, some new stuff we've never thought we'd try before, and it was pretty good. I liked it. I don't know about you.
Yes.
We both got a good amount of swag, so our stop is coming up, so we're going to tune on out. Guys, Monorail Peaks just went by at light speed. You know the deal. Like, subscribe, do the whole spiel. Of course, it's, what is it, 2 hours before the park closes?
Yep.
There's no one trying to get on the monorail, no one trying to get on the ferries, and I'm willing to bet there's no one trying to get on the buses, of course.
That sucked.